Oh, I am feeling for pizza.
You want to get pizza?
You can at least look at it. Hello. What's you guys' menu? Okay. Probably go freaking TikTok live. Perfect time. Do you have like a notification for like my lives? Like, jeez. God, guess what we're getting? Guess what I'm eating? Yeah, definitely high. Me. Hey, yo, what did I say about 20? No. Bro, what do you think I should do when I fucking cut this shit? Like a buzz or
Nah,
like
grow it out.
Grow it out.
Yeah, get it braided.
Fuck. The thing is, like, when I leave, like, I don't want to be swimming a lot, be in water, so like, I don't want it to get fuzzy, you know, messed up.
What?
But if I cut off my hair, then I'm fine. Like, you know, I don't want to maintain it. But it also be a new beginning for me too.
I'll even do it.
You know Marlon?
Yeah.
Yes. Marlon braids.
What you know about Marlon?
She said that. Which A, Marlon? What you know about Marlon?
What Marlon? I don't even know.
We're talking about the right Marlon.
Is he?
He just cut his hair.
Super down.
Super down?
Like short.
Yeah, and like he just dyed it too.
Yeah, it's a blonde.
Yeah, and he like links with like lacy.
Yeah.
What is that? Snubby see me dye my hair?
Yeah. Like that could look. I actually would look sick.
That's what I'm saying. What color?
Somebody's trying to join.
What
Oh,
color?
you missed it. Something that popped up on your screen. You just missed it.
Oh, because this Aaron blood clot.
But yeah, I said if you dyed it, it could be sick. But
What color though?
I don't know.
I've had my hair blonde. I've had it red.
Loki, you could pull off like I was thinking like any. You could pull off like multiple colors. Not any color, but you could pull off multiple colors. That's where just you like. I was thinking like a purple or like a blue. Anything. You could be.
Mention, yeah. But not like Shake Shack was further, so like
Holy.
my toes were crying.
Mine were
that's
too.
why I want to stop.
I just wanted a drink.
Really? Yeah. Oh. Delivered it right to us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're good now. You're good. You're good. Look at
Okay, what is yours though?
That's
What is
you.
yours though?
That's this. Get it.
Oh shit. Good night.
Does it?
Wait, ours is the same.
No, it's not.
Wait, two sauces?
I did. I was greedy. Okay, my spring leaf blocking my camera. Nah.
I love this hot. Thanks, Laura Smith. Fucking cat, look at this guy. This guy's using a fucking fork and knife for pizza. Fucking knife. I'm gonna come back.
It's just hot.
Nice. Oh, you got
want that one too? Yeah, that one's good.
Oh, good.
Like syrup.
Remember the name 8 Miles Pizza, man. Oh, yes, please.
Pardon me?
You guys are sitting live or?
Yeah.
Yeah, streaming, yeah, streaming.
Thank you so much. I hope that you will have fun.
Yes, they will. Yes, it was great.
Yeah, you know, after us, everyone started coming inside. You seen that? So, we are the vibe. We are the tribe.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Rocks.
Oh, y'all rocks for the drinks?
Well, okay, I told the plan, yeah.
Ready to go? Alright, done that.